Right, welcome to DIY Back Garden, and this is a video to show you how to fit stainless steel grill for front of the van. So we have 4 pieces and they have double-sided tape, so you peel it off. Before you do that, make sure you clean thoroughly. So once you've done that, we're gonna go for primer. It's a very instant drying primer. Make sure you've got a pair of gloves and open it and apply it easily with that supplied cloth. Just gets rid of dust and seals it off, so the double-sided tape sticks really well to the area. And try it once before you remove the cover for the double-sided tape. So if it's going in position, just peel off from one side and make sure it's in its position. So I've just stuck that 100 mils on the right hand side. Once that's stuck, then obviously you can't take it off, and now you can position it and peel off the protection while it's on there. You do use, because the weather is a bit cold, a heat gun. Just make sure it's nice and warm. If it's during summer you don't have to, but if it's during winter and the weather is cold, then you have to warm it up. Warm the surface up, and as well as the grill bar itself. So it's the same procedure. Position it, and when you're happy with it, you simply remove the protective sticker, and it's as easy as that. So we start from top and we just followed the same procedure. Lovely. That's the look at the moment. This is the beautiful bright looking, and that's the before picture, and this is the current picture. Just gives a better look to the van, and that's it. Hope you enjoyed and learn how to do it. Thank you very much.